Hey guys, this is Varun from Flex Nest. Today I will show you how to assemble the FlexiBell stand. The FlexiBell stand comes with all these pieces. Kindly note, do not tighten the screws until the last step of the installation. We will begin with the two longest parts, which will become the legs of the stand. Take this piece here and align it with the holes on the leg. Use the 3-inch screws to fix them in place. Do this on the other side too. Align the middle bar screw holes with the legs and screw it in. Place the FlexiBell holder on each leg and screw them in. Insert the 4 large headed screws and install the support bar. Next, install the back plate of the rack. Now attach the strap on the holder and insert the tail to lock it. Now tighten all the screws. The FlexiBell stand also comes with wheels that can be installed when shifting the stand to another room or moving it. Please note, we don't recommend the wheels to be installed when the stand is in a fixed position or in use, as this can lead to injury. Now your FlexiBell stand is ready to use and you're ready to flex.